హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఈరోజు 5th యూనిట్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందామా? సో దట్ ఈస్ in this 5th unit, this is eCash payment system. In this eCash payment system, so what is first మనం eCash పేమెంట్ ఏంటి అనేది తెలుసుకుందాం. యాక్చువల్గా మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో పర్చేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు పేమెంట్ అనేది వేరియస్ వేస్లో చేస్తారు కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ పేమెంట్ సిస్టమ్. Here, electronic payment systems come in many forms, including digital checks, debit cards, credit cards. The usual security features for such systems are privacy, authenticity, and no reputation. Here, first, electronic cash is focused on preserving the features of untraceability and anonymity. Electronic cash is defined to be an electronic payment system that provides, in addition to the above security features, the properties of user anonymity and payment untraceability. What is electronic cash? This term is often applied to any electronic payment scheme that superficially resembles cash to the users. So this electronic cash is one of the kind of electronic payment scheme through various cryptographic properties. So this is one of the card. What are those properties? These properties are electronic payment and conceptual framework. In this electronic payment, mainly first the e-commerce refers to financial transaction involving the electronic transmission of information. The storage medium as a card, since it commonly takes the form of a wallet-sized card that is made of with plastic or cardboard. What is another property is conceptual framework. In this conceptual framework, mainly 4 major components. These are issuers, customers, merchants, regulators. So here, issuer, merchants, customers, how the interaction between these persons. Regulator, issuer, customer and merchants, how the interaction between these them. So what is classification of eCash? Here the classification is 2. One is with online, one is with offline. What are the various key elements of private eCash system? So these are secure, anonymous, portable, infinite duration, two-way, offline capable, divisible, wide acceptability, user friendly, unit of value freedom. What is existing and proposed retail payment system? So these are ATM, debit cards and POS systems. Here this is how the payment system is. ఇక్కడ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అన్నది చూస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. కస్టమర్ ఏం చేస్తారు, విత్డ్రా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే కస్టమర్స్ బ్యాంక్ టోకెన్ సెండ్ చేస్తుంది కస్టమర్ కి. ఓకే, if you need to any fund transfer, so merchant bank నుంచి కస్టమర్ బ్యాంక్ కి టోకెన్ వెళ్తుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ మర్చెంట్ నుంచి మర్చెంట్ బ్యాంక్ కి టోకెన్స్ పాస్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. సో ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. How does eCash work? So here it is an ordinary card made by Schlumberger, but with a very smart mind. Instead of magnetic strip, all you have to do is operate the card with a unique personal identification number, that is also called as PIN, that gives you credit facilities as well as full security against misuse as long as you keep it to yourself. The customer has to pay an annual sum of the use of the card. Finally, in this electronic cash system, so here it protects against multiple spending. So ante kakunda token forgery is also prevented in this electronic cash system, as long as the cryptography is sound and security implemented. The secret keys used to sign coins are not compromised and integrity is maintained on the public keys. Okay. So this is one of the electronic payment system, also called as eCash payment system. Thank you.